U.S. citizens over 18 have the right to vote, but if disabled people can't access the polling booths, then they can't exercise their rights. Local Board of Elections offices need to ensure that voting areas are accessible for the disabled and meet their ADA and state guidelines. But hiring this work out to government contractors can be expensive. Take the struggle out of planning multiple polling stations by using TurboCAD software. This best-selling architectural design program is affordable, reliable, and trusted by companies worldwide. TurboCAD can create floor plans that work for placing equipment in temporary locations or doing full architectural drawings that can be used for construction and renovation projects. Get your Board of Elections employees up to speed on using TurboCAD quickly by enrolling them in CommandCAD's one-of-a-kind training course, Creating Accessible Voting Areas with TurboCAD. We will send our trainer out to teach the course in your city, ensuring that your employees get hands-on practice and support. We also have the course online for ongoing access to the tutorials. Please contact us so we may help your county improve voter accessibility before the next election.